That I left you?
Vega!
I was trying to protect you, you asshole.
I'm not leaving. No, it's not.
Fun!
Where the fuck did you get that
Such
microphone?
fun! Such fun!
You're punching me in the jaw.
Such fun!
That's awesome. Real good.
Such fun!
Yeah, you sound exactly like him.
Such fun! Ain't it fun? Ain't it fun?
I'm having a blast. Pizza. $15 for a $5 pizza. Hot and ready for $5. You paid $15. What a fucking idiot. Goddamn.
Say it again.
He paid $15 for a $5 pizza, a $5 hot and ready from Little Caesars. Moron.
Made money back. You spent $15.
That Vega, like handing you pizza crust and stuff.
$15 for a $5 pizza. God damn it.
It was well worth it.
Is it worth it?
But Kenway gave me the money back for it.
Did he? Well, I mean, you made out pretty good.
I made out
Kenway, the
pretty
fucking moron.
What he wants to,
God,
what do
I
you want
can't.
to do? See what an ice tornado looks like?
I wonder what would happen if a tornado would hit these fields. Oh, I don't know. Destruction and death, you moron. Like any other time a tornado hit.
But you was wondering what would happen if a tornado hit in the winter time.
That's yeah, because the weather's gonna change it. I think you're wrong. Winter tornadoes can be particularly deadly, not because they're stronger, but because they tend to move faster. Right there. Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm not recording this way. I'm recording
Not
that
you,
way.
not you. Not you, it's me. I'm irritated, so he's got to get it on film. Oh my God.
Marcellus Gaines, yeah. Is that Marcellus?
He called you quick.
It's the same shit.
Do I look?
What are you doing?
What?
What is this?
I'm sorry,
Where
I
did
want
you
to look
get
like a
that?
professional.
JC Penney?
No, thank you very much. Not JC Penney.
Where'd you get it? What brand is it? Is it Gucci?
It's H&M.
It ain't shit.
How you doing, Fitchy? Good to see you, buddy. It's
Matt
my money.
Kenway, everybody. Matt Kenway. God damn it. What is it? I don't understand why I let this stuff irritate the fuck out of me. Where'd Nick Chin go? What's up, man? How you doing? Where's Chin at?